Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage it on Snapchat. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Photo editing and social media tool Snapchat offer hours of fun communication and amusement for young people and grown-ups alike. In the Snapchat world, the people you interact with frequently will become your best friend. Therefore, you may want to adjust your chat setting to manage communication. And in this video, I will show you how to do it. So first, you can go to your chat. You can open your Snapchat, of course. You can open up your chat section. Now you can tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over there. There is an option Manage Chat. You can tap on that. Here, you can clear the conversation that you no longer interact with. Maybe for the example, I will choose this one. Now you can tap on Clear. And I will try this one too. Tap on Clear. So the conversation will be removed from your chat sections. Or you can just tap on Clear Conversation here. Now, you can see on your chat section, the conversation that you no longer interact with has been removed from your chat section. It's so simple, right? So that is how to manage chat on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!